How to fix Instagram, try another device to continue. So you might be in the situation where you are trying to log in into your account, but you land on this interface where it says that try another device to continue. This must be a device you have used to log in into this account before. So in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to make sure that your application is up to date. Move into App Store, and in the address bar, you have to search for Instagram. Click on this app right here. Make sure that your application is up to date. If not, click on Update and update it. Once done, now move into Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and then move into Apps. Search for the application Instagram and then move into it. You have to make sure all of these options are enabled: local network, microphone, camera, and overall. Once you've enabled all of these settings, now the next thing you want to do is go back and then head over to General. Move into iPhone storage and then head over to Instagram. Click on Offload app and then once again tap on Offload app. It will clear all of the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.